Understanding admiration, meaning, usage, and examples. Imagine standing in front of a breathtaking work of art or watching an athlete break a world record. That feeling of awe and respect you experience? That is admiration. Today, we are going to explore this powerful word that expresses deep appreciation for someone or something. Word type. Admiration is a noun. It is pronounced as ad-mu-re-shun with the stress on the third syllable. Meaning, admiration refers to a feeling of deep respect, approval, and wonder. It is often directed towards a person's qualities, achievements, or actions, but can also apply to things of beauty or impressive feats. Word history. The word admiration comes from the Latin admirare, which means to wonder at or marvel at. It entered the English language in the 15th century, originally meaning wonder or astonishment, before evolving to its current meaning of respectful approval. Antonyms. Some opposites of admiration include contempt, disdain, and scorn. These words express negative feelings towards someone or something rather than the positive sentiment of admiration. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to admiration include respect, esteem, regard, and appreciation. While these words are close in meaning, admiration often carries a stronger sense of emotional approval. Examples used in sentences. Let us look at how to use admiration in context. Here are 3 sentences. Her admiration for the scientist's groundbreaking research inspired her to pursue a career in biology. The young pianist's flawless performance at the concert hall filled the audience with admiration. Despite their rivalry, she could not help but feel a grudging admiration for her competitor's innovative business strategies. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse admiration with adoration. While both are positive feelings, adoration is more intense and often implies worship or idolization. Also, remember that we feel admiration for someone or something, not to them. For example, you would say, I have great admiration for my teacher, not, I have great admiration to my teacher. To wrap up, admiration is a powerful word that expresses deep respect and approval. Whether you are describing your feelings towards a role model, a stunning landscape, or an impressive accomplishment, using admiration can add depth and precision to your language. As you prepare for your IELTS exam, practice using this word in your speaking and writing to showcase your vocabulary skills.